Hello students, let us solve bill of exchange problem for this class. I'll read the problem. A banker discounts a bill for a certain amount which has 50 days to run before it matures legally at 6% per annum. The discounted value of the bill is rupees 7,240. Find the face value of the bill. So in this problem, we are asked to find the face value of the bill, and we are given the rate of interest is 6% per annum and the time period is 50 days to run before it matures legally. So the time period is 50 upon 365 days and the discounted value is 7240. And to find face value of the bill, we need the banker's discount formula. As you all know, the banker's discount is denoted by BD is equals to SRT. You have learned this formula. Banker's discount is nothing but S means face value of the bill, R is rate of interest, and T is the time period. Now BD equals to S we don't know, so let us keep as it is. Rate of interest is given as 6% per annum, so we write it as 6 by 100 into time period. It is given as 50 days to run before it legally matures, so it is 50 upon 365. So just cancel this fraction, 52s are 2 3s are, so we get BD as 3S upon 365. 3S upon 365. One more banker's discount formula, we know that discount value is equals to face value minus discounted value. We have also learned banker's discount is nothing but S minus discounted value. So here S we don't know, so let us keep as it is. Discounted value is given as, the discounted value of the bill is rupees 7,240. So let us substitute, instead of discounted value, let us substitute rupees 7,240. Okay, and here we got BD as 3S upon 365, and here we got BD as S minus 7240. So let us equate this, both the equation, and we get 3S upon 365 is equals to S minus 7240. So let us cross multiply this, 365 into S minus 365 into 7240. So therefore we get 3S is equals to 365S minus 365 into 7240. So 365S minus 3S will give you 362S, and this minus 365 into 7240 will bring this side, it becomes positive 365 into 7240. From here we get S as 365 into 7240, 7,240 rupees divided by 362. So let us cancel this fraction. 365 into 7240. Just calculate this. I'm doing orally. It becomes 2642600 divided by 362, and you get S as rupees 7,300, and you get S as 7,300. and you get the face value is rupees 7,300. Bankers discount a bill for certain amount which has 50 days to run before it matures legally at 6% per annum. The discounted value of the bill is 7 to find the face value of the bill. So first let us calculate BD with the formula SRT. Substitute R and T, we get 3s upon 365. Again one more formula BD we know, that is S minus discounted value. So equating both the equation and simplifying this fraction, we get the face value as rupees 7,300. So this is how you have to calculate the face value of the bill whenever you are given the discounted value of the bill, rate of interest and the time period.